Good morning, my dear student. Today in our class, we are going to revise the chapter number 2, Roman numeral. Very soon, you are going to get the test of this chapter, objective and subjective test. So, to score the better marks in the test, let us revise the chapter. There are 7 basic Roman numerals. These are I, V, X, L, C, D and M. The 10 basic Indo-Arabic numerals are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. And the Indo-Arabic numeral 0 does not have any Roman numeral. The first basic Roman numeral is I, which stands for 1. All other numerals are formed using these basic numerals. Some basic Roman numerals and their Indo-Arabic equivalents are I stand for 1, V stand for 5, X stand for 10, L stand for 50, C stand for 100, D stand for 500 and M stand for 1000. Rules for writing Roman numerals. Rule number 1. The 7 basic symbols can be used in different combinations involving addition or subtraction to form numbers. We use addition as a repetition of symbols to write the Roman numerals. For example, I can be written as 1 plus 1, which is equals to 2. X can be written as 10 plus 10, which is equals to 20. IV can be written as 5 minus 1, which is equals to 4. Rule number 2. Symbols I, X, C and M can be repeated 3 times at any one given time. Symbols V, L, D can be used only once at any one instance. For example, I can be written as 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equals to 3. X can be written as 10 plus 10 plus 10, which is equals to 30. C can be written as 100 plus 100 plus 100, which is equals to 300. M can be written as 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000, which is equals to 3000. Only the symbol I, X and C are used for both addition and subtraction. Rule number 3. When the smaller symbols is placed on the right of the bigger symbol, then we add the symbols. For example, XI can be written as 10 plus 1, which is equals to 11. CX can be written as 100 plus 10, which is equals to 110. MC can be written as 1000 plus 100, which is equals to 1100. Rule number 4. When the smaller symbol is placed on left of the bigger symbol, then we subtract. For example, IX. So we can write 10 minus 1, which is equals to 9. XC can be written as 100 minus 10, which is equals to 90. CM can be written as 1000 minus 100, which is equals to 900. Rule 5. Symbol I can be added or subtracted from the next two symbols V and X only. For example, IV can be written as 5 minus 1, which is equals to 4. VI, which can be written as 5 plus 1, which is equals to 6. IX can be written as 10 minus 1 equals to 9. XI can be written as 10 plus 1, which is equals to 11. Rule number 6. Symbol X can be added or subtracted from the next two symbols L and C only. For example, XL can be written as 50 minus 10, which is equals to 40. LX can be written as 50 plus 10, which is equals to 60. XC can be written as 100 minus 10, which is equals to 90. CX can be written as 100 plus 10, which is equals to 110. Rule number 7. The symbol C can be added or subtracted from the next two symbols D and M only. For example, CD can be written as 500 minus 100, which is equals to 400. DC can be written as 500 plus 100, which is equals to 600. CM can be written as 1000 minus 100, which is equals to 900. MC can be written as 1000 plus 100, which is equals to 1100. Now let us try to write the Roman numerals for the Indo-Arabic numerals. First one is 310. 310 we can write in hundreds and tens. So 310 can be written as 300 plus 10. 300 we can write as 3 times C, and for 10 we can write X. So the Roman numeral for 310 is CCCX. Next number is 49. So we can write in tens and ones. So it is 40 plus 9. 40 we can write as 50 minus 10, which is XL, and 9 we can write as IX. So the Roman numeral for 49 is XLIX. Next is 2534. So we can write in thousand, hundreds, tens and ones. So we can break the number as 2000 plus 500 plus 30 plus 4. 2000 means 2 times M, 500 is equals to D, 30 means 3 times X, and 4 is IV. So the Roman numeral for 2534 is MMDXXXIV. Now let us write the Indo-Arabic numeral for the given Roman numerals. First one is DCL. D stand for 500, C stand for 100, and L stand for 50. So 500 plus 100 plus 50 is equals to 650. Next is CDXXII. CD is equals to 500 minus 100, which is equals to 400. XX is equals to 10 plus 10, which is equals to 20. And II is equals to 1 plus 1, which is equals to 2. So the Indo-Arabic numeral for the Roman numeral CDXXII is equals to 422. Next is MMCDLIX. Here M is 2 times, so it means 2000. CD is equals to 500 minus 100, which is equals to 400. L stand for 50 and IX is equals to 9. So 2000 plus 400 plus 50 plus 9 is equals to 2459. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you understood the chapter. Revise it thoroughly so that you will be able to get a better score. See you soon in the next video. Till that time, take care.